Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two top contenders in the all-season tire market, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the Kumho Solus 4 HA32 Plus. Launched in 2020, the CrossClimate 2 quickly set a high benchmark. Now, with significant improvements in 2022, Kumho aims to challenge this reigning champion. Let's see how they stack up. First, let's talk wet performance. In wet braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops in 34.8 meters, just edging out the Kumho Solus 4 HA32 Plus, which stops in 35.1 meters. In straight-line aquaplaning resistance, the CrossClimate 2 shines, handling speeds up to 81 km per hour before slipping, compared to 73.4 for the Solus 4 HA32 Plus. This small difference in braking and better aquaplaning resistance make the CrossClimate 2 a strong performer in wet conditions. In snow, the Kumho Solus 4 HA32 Plus takes a surprising lead in braking, stopping in 10.6 meters compared to 11.1 meters for the CrossClimate 2. However, in snow traction, the CrossClimate 2 shows a slight edge with 225.5 N versus 223.2 N for the Solus 4 HA32 Plus. Kumho's improvement in snow braking is impressive, though Michelin maintains a marginal traction advantage. On ice, both tires offer similar performance. The CrossClimate 2 stops in 19.8 meters, while the Solus 4 HA32 Plus stops in 19.6 meters. This minor difference means both tires provide comparable safety on icy surfaces. When it comes to wear, the Kumho Solus 4 HA32 Plus lasts 50,600 kilometers, outperforming the CrossClimate 2's 44,000 kilometers. However, Kumho's tire wears faster per kilometer with a higher abrasion rate of 69 milligrams per kilometers per ton compared to 52 for Michelin. In dry conditions, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels, stopping in 39.5 meters, significantly better than the Solus 4 HA32 Plus stopping distance of 44.1 meters. This 4.6 meter difference highlights the superior dry braking capability of the CrossClimate 2. In terms of noise, the CrossClimate 2 is slightly quieter at 71.1 decibels compared to 71.9 decibels for the Solus 4 HA32 Plus. Fuel consumption is almost identical, with the CrossClimate 2 at 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers and the Solus 4 HA32 Plus at 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers. In conclusion, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stands out with superior wet and dry braking, better aquaplaning resistance, and a quieter ride. Meanwhile, Kumho Solus 4 HA32 Plus surprises with excellent snow braking and greater mileage with significant value, despite wearing faster per kilometer. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.